Don't make this easy, I want you to mean it. Jasey, say you mean it. You're dressed to kill, I'm calling you out. Don't waste your time on me. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play the acoustic version of Jasey Rae by All Time Low. Super great song. This song was requested, so if you guys have other songs you want to learn, please let me know in the requests. I promise I'll get to them as quickly as I can, if I can get to them, okay? Sorry. So what we're going to do for this is it's going to be a standard tuning, and you're going to only use a handful of chords, no capo or anything, all right? But before I actually start teaching you those chords and the strumming pattern and stuff, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. Please hit the notification bell too, all right? Just so you can get notified. All right, what's the big deal? Let's just do it. All right, so let's get into it now. So the chords you're going to use are D, okay, and G. I think it's easier to use this G, all right? And then you're going to do B minor and A, okay? So you're going to start with down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so pretty easy strumming pattern, all right? Down, down, up on D, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you go to G, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. B minor. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then you go to A. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. G. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so then you go to D for lights out. But you're gonna do it like that. Down, up, down. Okay? Down, up. So down, down, up, down. Lights out. I still hear the rain. These. Okay? So then you're gonna do. On these, you're going to do B minor. These images, okay? These is B minor. Then you're going to down, 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 down. Okay, on these images. These down, down images that fill my head. Okay, head is A. Head. Now keep my fingers from. Before you do making, which is where you're going to do G, you're going to mute and then go. Making mistakes, okay, making is G, making mistakes, alright, making mistakes, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, making mistakes to my voice, voice is A, voice what it takes to speak, okay, speak is B minor, and on speak you're going to go down, down, up, down, down, up, so you're doing the same strumming pattern you did at the beginning, speak up, and keep my conscience. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, right there. On speak up, down, speak up, and keep my conscience. Conscience is A. Conscience clean when I wake. Okay, so for the first half of wake, you're doing G. Wake. Okay, then you go to A. And what you're actually gonna do for strumming here, you're gonna go wake. You're just doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Wake, and you go to A. So for the second half, wake. Okay, so you can do it like this. All right, but what you're going to do is just touch the strings. Don't hold them down, but touch them right here, and you're just going to do down, up, okay? So down, up, okay? And then you're going to go into the chorus, which is D, A, G twice. All right, so for the chorus, and you're doing the same strumming pattern you did at the beginning. So you're going to go don't is D, don't make don't make this easy. I want is A, want you to mean it. Jasey, okay, Jasey is G. Jasey, say you mean it. And then you go back to D and repeat. You're dressed to kill, kill is A. Kill, I'm calling you out. Out is G. Out. Don't waste your time on me. Okay, then you do D. D is on me. Me. And you do that same thing, down, up, down. Okay, and you're just gonna let it ring, and you're gonna go, now there's an aching in my back, a stabbing pain that says I lack. Okay, after lack, you're gonna do B minor, lack. Okay, and you do B minor on the common sense and confidence is A, and you're just doing down, 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 down. Okay, confidence. All right, to bring it into promises. Promises that I make in times of desperate. All right, so you're doing desperate as A, desperate conversation. Okay, then you're gonna do the same thing. So on B minor both times, you're gonna do the same thing, and you're gonna go back to the faster strumming pattern and go. On hoping, it's down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, hoping my night could be better. Better is A, better than theirs in the end. And then here you're doing the same thing, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up for G and A. And just say when. Okay, then you do that same thing. All right, then you go into the chorus again. So after you do the chorus the second time, you're gonna go into the bridge, and you're just gonna do, it's a little bit more complicated than this. I'm gonna show you a super simple way to play it. You're just gonna do D, all right? I've never told a lie. Okay, so it's D on I've, right before I've never told a lie. Okay, lie is A, and you're just doing down, 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 down. It's more complicated. He's doing lots of like alternate strumming and kind of changing it up, but this is totally sufficient. Okay, lie, that makes me a liar. Okay, liar is B minor. Liar, never made a bet. Okay, bet is G. Bet, we gamble with desire. Desire is D, so easy to remember because it starts with D. Desire, I've never lit a match. Match is A. Match with intent to start a fire. Okay, fire is B minor. Fire, but recently the flames is G. Flames are getting out of control. Okay, troll of control is D. Troll, call me a name. Name is A, name. Kill me with words. Okay, words is B minor. Words, forget about me. Me is G. Me, it's what I deserve. Deserve is D. Deserve. I was your chance. Chance is A. Chance to get out of this town. Okay, town is B minor. Town. But I ditched the car. Okay, car is G. Car, and left you to wait. Okay, then here you're gonna do, after left you to, you're gonna do D and then G. Way outside, I hope. Okay, so you're gonna do D, and then you're gonna go back to the faster strumming. Down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, D is on wait, G is on outside, and then you're gonna do B minor on I hope. I hope the air will serve you. Serve is A minor. Serve to remind you that my heart is D. Heart is as cold as the clouds. Clouds is G. Clouds of your breath. And my words is B minor. Words are as timed as the beating. Beating is A. Beating in my chest. In my chest. So you can do chest is G A, and then in my chest you just do D, and that's really da 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 da. Anyway, that's how you play the whole thing. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. This isn't exactly how they play it on the acoustic version that I've heard, but the beautiful thing about acoustic stuff is that you're allowed to like a lot more freedom with it and stuff. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything in the comments. It's been fun, and I'll see you next time.